with Nina here. We're at Salla Estate. There's horses, stables right here. We just went in. They've got guest rooms. There's a tasting bar, restaurant. And we're wandering around, but there's no cars. There's just a couple guys working in the stables here. Well, where are we, Nina?
Well, we are in the Salla Estate. It's a winery in the north of Bulgaria, close to Varna. And we are going to taste their wines, waiting for the owner, and we're going to meet now the winemaker,
Amelia.
Anelia. It's just here.
Yeah, it's just right here.
I don't know where we're going.
I think we're going that door. I'm going to switch it around. I'm here at Salla Estate here in eastern Bulgaria, and with Nina, who is the sommelier at the Sea Terrace. We've come out here to meet the owner, and we've been treated to a little picnic. What do we have on our plate, Nina?
Well, we have farm vegetables, we have steamed beans, and we have the most popular food, kebabche. It's made of minced pork meat. We do have some homemade breads and typically Bulgarian food. And we have also wine in the house, yes.
Yes, we have house wines. You can come. It's okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Diana.
Diana's been serving us. We were just talking about the lovely food that you cooked right there on the grill.
Everything.
You made it all.
Home, yes.
Yeah. Everything's homemade right here.
Yes.
So it took us about 45-minute drive from Varna, and we'll just give you a quick view. There's vineyards right out here. It's lovely. We have traditional ceramic dishes. This is even the music.